So we are in, guys. We are in. Everything is going very fine, and as you can hear my voice. So I don't know my mic. It was I don't know why it doesn't connect the external mic. So yeah, we're gonna be working right now, and let's get started. So all I need now is to do what? Is to see your comments. Your comments or whatever it is. So yeah, let me open my chat. So I wanna know, where can I start? What must I start with? Where can I start and what must I start with? So I just see people saying I'm here, we are here. Hello everyone. Can you please send the link again on WhatsApp since new people just joined? New link, you mean which link? Because of, like, if you want other people to join, you can share this live. You just share the live to the group. Just share this live to the group. It's simple. So I want to start with the questions. As I can see now, I have 13 people in. So I'm going to be opening my screen now, right now, very soon. Very soon. So guys, this is my screen and now it's 3:05, means I have to start. So let me check if everything is going right. I can see my mic is very right and then my screen is opened very clearly. So most of you guys, you will find that you see this pluri. You understand? When I say pluri, it's like it's not that much quality. You understand? You just go to your video the way, like you can see when you are watching a video, you will find that the network that you are using is not fast to send your things to 720p. So you just go to the video setting and then there is a three dot. Most of you are using an app with a three dot on the top right corner. So you just press that three dot and then press 720p so that you can see everything on my screen. My number, text, you can see it clearly. You understand? So you can do so in order to do what? To see the things clearly. For now, we are going to start. You understand? We are going to start, and let me give you my WhatsApp number so that you can share your problems and everything. My WhatsApp number, I'm going to pin them. You understand? I'm going to pin the message of my WhatsApp number. You just text me. Let me even edit the message. Let me remove first, and then I said text me for a Zoom meeting link. You understand? So WhatsApp. So you'll text me for the what? For the Zoom meeting link. You understand? You'll text me for the Zoom meeting link so that you can show me, or you can tell me where are you struggling. You understand? I'm going to open my Zoom meeting this side. I'm going to open my Zoom meeting. Once you say, okay, now I need you to help me on this one, you just open the chat on your phone or on your computer. You analyze, you understand? You analyze, you show me your analysis, you tell me what I can help you with. But so far, I can see there is no comments. I'm going to start with a risk management. Risk management. This is what we are going to do until 15th of June. If we improve all of us to do what? To do the right thing, or to be, or like if this live or this stream or this platform is very helpful, I'm going to continue even after 15th of June. So now I will be waiting for you to give me some comments. You understand? I will be waiting for you to give me some comments and say, okay, I'm struggling here. Like when I'm saying plural, I'm talking about something like this. You can see on this side of my screen, there is a what? It is plural. So you have to go to the settings like this and go to this button. You will see it will say 720p. On my side, on my phone, I can see what? 720p on my phone. Here, I don't see 720p. I don't know why, but you will see it when times goes on. But on your side, you can see what is going on. So now, since I was connecting my whatever, my this external mic, I was busy connecting this external mic, but it wasn't going the way I want. So I put it my laptop here. I have to push it away from me so that I can do what? I can do the right thing. So now I'm just going to talk about the risk management. Most of the questions that I got on the platform, or since I was teaching, you understand, even people who have been trading for a long time, people who have been trading for a short time, I can see what is going on. What is going on? You'll find that someone saying, I just analyze, but I can't do what? I can't make an entry level. The entry level is beating me more than everything. Let me show you something, guys. Why are you losing after analyzing and you are a good analyzer, but you are a bad trader or a terrible trader? Is because of this. Let me show you with this live trades, you understand? So Doka say, can you please send the link again in WhatsApp? Okay, this one I answered it. So I'm going to start here, guys. Let me show you. This is my strategy. Ne? When I analyze with my strategy, I think I have a video of this thing. Ne? When I analyze with my strategy, what do I say? Most of my signals, I'm talking about my signals. Most of my signals, still I said sell. And I noticed a lot of people and say we're gonna be selling. Look at here. This is where I'm saying my market will resist. And I'm 100% sure. And I'm 100% sure about what? The movement from here to here. You understand? This is how you analyzed. This is a simple analyze. Ne? This is how you analyze. You understand? So you analyzed your market is like this. And then the market is telling you, or now you're going to go down until this point before you can do what? You can go up. I want to tell you something. It's just that I will do a collaboration with Liversoul on some of the things. You understand? On some of the things like writing down. You know, I have to write what I'm talking about or what I'm doing. You understand? This is my resistance. If I start to type on the keyboard, it will take me time. So now, when you say, okay, this is your what? Your resistance. Remember this. You are in a bigger time frame. I'm on the 24 hours time frame. There is no guarantee of a sell without a bigger buy. This is the first thing. This is the first point. Understand? I'm in a bigger time frame. I analyzed like this. This is a sample analysis of me. And to analyze in the bigger time frame is simple. I said, okay, the market will sell. Well, the market will sell, but what will happen? What will happen? The spikes. As you can see, currently we have a spike. You understand? We have a spike. Let me go to my WhatsApp and see people who says we want a Zoom meeting or whatever. So we have a spike. We have a spike on the red candle. Means this market was going down. You understand? This market was going down. And then you analyzed and said the market will go down. But at the end of the day, what is happening? The market goes up and make a spike. Why and how to solve that kind of things? How and why, or how to come with a solution. I want to show you a solution. And why you are losing or you are still losing is because of you are using the bigger time frame. You are using the bigger time frame. On the bigger time frame, you don't see where the market is going. You see where the market will go for a long time after the 24 hours time frame. You understand? You say, okay, now I analyze. Let me tell you around with this one. From here to here, it needs one candle. Means it's 24 hours. Inside of one candle, there is candles, multi-candles. Those multi-candles, some of the candles will be going up. And where do we find those candles? We find them in the lower time frame. Again, this is the bigger time frame. This is the bigger time frame. Lower time frame, we're talking about 4 hours. How many candles do we have in 24 hours? In 1 hour. Like how many candles will make one candle in 24 hours? When we're checking at the time frame of 1 hour, it's 24 candles. So it means in order for this thing to come from this point, let me show you with a horizontal line. From here to this resistance of mine, let me just type it. Where's my keyboard? This side. This is the resistance again. I mean the support, sorry. This is the support. You understand? This is the support. Let me change even the color. This is our support. In order for this market to hit the support in 1 hour time frame, it needs 24 candles. And remember, in those on top of those 24 candles going down, it won't go, or those 24 candles, they won't go down. They won't be red, all of them. Other candles, they will be green. Other candles, they will be red. There will be 2 candles or 3 candles, they will be red. 3 candles, they will be green. But most of the candles that will be released in the 1 hour in order to make a 24 hours candle, most of the candles in 1 hour, they will be red. Why? Because of the market is respecting the what? Or the market is doing what? It's respecting what is happening in the 24 hours time frame. So when you come with your analysis like this simple analysis and say, okay, it will go down to the support and then go up. You're going to do what? You're going to sell because of it's the first move or the first direction that you see at that moment. You understand? You're going to sell. That's where that's where a problem comes. That's why you don't get reward. You don't get your entry level. That's the fact. You don't get your entry level correct. It's because of the 1 hour candles. They will affect your entry level. So what you have to do is to go back. To the 1 hour time frame, or 4 hours time frame, or 15 minutes time frame. We are still going down. You understand? We are still going down. And thanks for sharing the link in the group, Liver Soul. You understand? So now we are in the what? In the 1 hour time frame. Remember, we saw, okay, on the 24 hours time frame, the market is still going down. You understand? We saw that the market is going down. So what must happen now? We must analyze the 1 hour time frame but still with a mind of saying, okay, 24 hours time frame is going up or down. In here, the 24 hours is going where? Down. Let me show you an example of what, like, let me make you understand now. As you can see, I told you already, more candles that will be happening in the 1 hour time frame, they will be red, or the longest candles, they will be red ones than green. As you can see, even here, this is a long red. This is a long red. You see, long red. They are the ones that are pushing the market to go down. They are the ones that are pushing the market to go down. Candles that are red are more than the candles that are green because of the 24 hours time frame. Is telling us or the market is going down. What you have to do when you see this thing, you have to find a support and resistance, a consolidation, a rearranging of the market in the smaller time frame. One thing you have to remember, when you are in the 24 hours time frame, remember to complete one candle is 24 hours. So your money won't cover the loss, or like it won't go through a loss the whole 24 hours. You have $10, 2 minutes is blown with 0.001. You understand? 10 minutes is enough to blow your account. How the time frames work. You understand? You must understand how the time frame work. The time frames, how they work. You understand? So mean if I enter in the, let's say in the what? In the, this is a 1 hour time frame. If I enter here and say, okay, now I'm going to say I'm going to buy from here. Let's say you buy, you don't sell, you buy here, you buy. After buying, the market doesn't go your way. We're talking about risk management. The market doesn't go your way. It goes down because of your bought here. From here, just imagine from here to this point is how many hours? Let's count the candles. It's how many hours? Let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know, maybe 12 hours, for example. From here to there is 12 hours. Means your loss must last 12 hours going one direction. You are in the what? You are in the 1 hour time frame. So if your account is a demo account, you are using 0.005, you will carry this loss. You won't blow the account. It can even take 2 days going down. This is 0.005 of 100,000 balance. That's where you're gonna be safe. But if you don't do what? You do have $50, it won't last even an hour with 0.005 going through a loss. So that's why on the demo account you make profit, because of the demo account has a lot of what? Has a lot of balance that can balance any loss. So now you went to real account, you fund with a small money, and you use the same time frame, you use the same what? You use the same strategy. That's where the problem comes. That's why your analyses are good. And at the end of the day, you blow an account around here. Like you say, okay, now I'm going to do what? Let's say you buy around here. I say you sell. You sell, the market goes down, it starts to go up. It blew your account. And then at the end of the day, the market is here. What happened? You will be surprised. Oh, Joe, I blew the account, but the market was going my way. It was going straight here because of, like, let's say your resistance is right here. You understand? Your resistance is right here. You blew the account, but already you sold with a real account. But on the demo account, what is going to happen? Here, let's say here, from this point to this point, we're talking about let me say something like $50. $50. What's the things? We're talking about $50 on this point. You understand? From here down to from this point to this point, we are talking about $50. You understand? $50 in loss. Let me even do a negative $50. You understand? And your account is what? Well, now I just wanna relax because of the time is still too much. You understand? Because of like if it's a Zoom meeting, I wanna cover all the things in one time because of I know why it will be cutting us. Now there is nothing that will cut us. We are free. And then your account is $30. Your account is $30. Your account is $30. This is your account. You understand? Your account is $30. Your account is $30. Around here, you are going to lose $50. You sell. I'm talking now. You sell. Where's the arrow? Where's the thing? Okay. You sell from here to here. You make a what? A profit, and you are using $30. You're going to be in a profit. The market start to go up. When it goes up like this, it blow your what? Your $30 halfway before it can even make a loss of $50. You understand? So means if you have how much? If you have demo of $1,000, what is going to happen? The $1,000 will survive this negative $50. If this thing is your, let me show you something. Here it will be your, let me decrease the size, change the color. Here is your what? Your take, your stop loss. And then another one. Here is a stop loss. And then here is your entry level. Entry level. I want you to understand very carefully. Understand? So here is your stop loss, is $50. Here is your entry level, is a what? It's where you entered. And then now the market went down and then it's going up. Your $30 account, real account, will blow. Your account management, your account of $1,000 of them, I mean $1,000 of them, will never do what? Will never blow. It will survive. And if you didn't put a stop loss here, it will survive until it goes to what? To profit. Let me show you something again. And then now from here, to show you something. From here to here, let me do blue. From here to here is how much? Maybe is plus $300. Plus $300. $300. You understand? That's how it is. It's plus $300. Let me change the color. Blue, the size 28. Yeah, is $300. You understand? So let me show you these two accounts. Account number A, I'll say account number A, PCCA. There is account number B, which is demo. Yeah. Account number B, which is demo. be, which is demo. If this thing, let's say we don't have a stop loss, let me do like this. We don't have a stop loss, and then this goes to the loss of $50. Account number A will blow. Account number B will survive. Understand? That's how the risk management goes. That's why you use the strategy of account number B on account number A. So means you can't survive. So if you go even with the time frames, you go to the 24 hours time frame, you do what? You analyze. You analyze the way I analyzed, and then you go to the time frame of maybe 1 hour time frame, and then you analyze. You say, okay, after analyzing on this one, I'm going to put my stop loss around here. When I put it my stop loss around here, means I'm going to lose $50. But let me adjust my stop loss to lose how much? $10. Because of I have what? I have $30. That's how we do it. It's a risk management. I want to lose $10. I don't want to lose the whole account. I want to have 3 chances to go to the market and do the things. You understand? So now you say, okay, now since I lost $10, let me enter again, because of the bigger time frame on the 24 hours time frame is telling me where I'm going down. So I'm still having the faith of saying this market is going down. So the latest TP, the latest stop loss, it will be here on top here, and say this market will never hit here. This is my latest stop loss. I'm going to do what? To enter 3 times only. If I lose this $30, I'm going to do what? I'm going to say I have lost. You understand? When it comes to this one, you say I lost. You understand? So since the market can't hit the top line here, the blue top line here, you are still entering. Maybe you entered here with $10, and then it hit your stop loss, and then you lost $10. You go again with a what? With a sell. And then you say, let me just sell again, and then see what is going to happen, because of this market is going down. At the end, what is going to... Let me show you. A lot size. A lot size by that time, A and B, the lot size is going to be 0,005. Both of them, they use 0,005. Remember that. Both of them are using 0,005. Now you entered again for the second time. If you lost, you are left with $10. And then you enter with how much? With you risk $10 again for the second time, and then you catch the market. The market start to go down. Here's your $300. You lost how much? $10. You risked how much for the second time? $10 again. You made how much? $300. That's how Forex work. You don't have to lose the whole account. You don't have to lose the whole account. That's how you make your entries. That's how you make your entries. You analyze on the smaller time frame where your money can afford to be in a loss of this time. You understand? There is a calculator that we use. You understand? Vindi Forex calculator. There is a calculator we use to do what? I'm going to put it on the comment section now. This calculator, we use it for indices. Here's your calculator. Understand? You use it for what? You can copy that thing and then paste it on your URL section. You will see it will show you the link. Understand? So this is how we do what? We risk. And that's how we make our entries on the smaller time frame. We look for the what? For the consolidation or the retest. Let me show you for the retest or the entries that you must make. Now we are going. We go to the 24 hours time frame again. Like I showed you the risk management. Now I'm showing you the entries. How to enter those things. How to enter those things. Either is a retest or it's a trending market. Or it's a what? Or it's a it's a what do we call a support or resistance. Simple. I go to the 24 hours time frame. I can see that, okay. And someone told me, or if I don't want to give a signal, I can just analyze with a old what? An old graph or an old chart. So now I can see the market is going down. The market is on here. Or it's randomly. I'm going to show you randomly. Let's say the market is on here. And I see, oh, okay, the candles that I'm still on is this one. Understand? This ones I'm still on this candles. I'm still going where? It is still going down. And then I say, I'm going to risk. Even me, yeah. I'm going to risk. I'm going to risk a what? This movement. This movement is not there currently. And then I want to risk this because on the bigger time frame I see there is something will happen like this. You understand? That is going down until this point. That's how you analyze, guys. That's how you analyze and say, okay, I'm risking around here. This is the ghost. Now we say this is not even there. So I'm going to risk this. I'm going to put like I want to find an entry that will trade me this and make a profit with these candles that will be followed here. You understand? So what I'm going to do, I'm still in the 24 hours time frame. I see the red candle and I say the red candle will come again. So I have to make a entry level. On the bigger time frame, you can't make an entry level. I'm telling you. You can't do nothing with this thing. You have to do what? You have to go to the smaller time frame. You have to go to the smaller time frame and do what? Maybe you go to the 4 hours time frame and check. I'm looking for the consolidation. I'm looking for the consolidation. I'm going to use the previous. You understand? So I'm looking for the consolidation. I don't see the consolidation that it will feed for my money. And I must remember I'm in the 24 hours. I don't have to take a risk or make an entry in here because I can't just check this one and say I can make an entry. So now I say, okay, I can see the consolidation. I'm still in the 24 hours. So this consolidation, I want to see it in the smaller time frame than 4 hours. I don't want to see it in here. You understand? I want to see how this consolidation is moving on the other time frame. On the 1 hour, I can see, or still I can enter on the 1 hour. Maybe I'm growing the small account. I have to go to the 15 minutes or 5 minutes or even 1 minute. Let me just go to 5 minutes and show you. This thing, the consolidation is there in every time frame. In the bigger time frame, it's just that the consolidation, you can't see it because of it's bigger. You will see it when you are in the 1 week time frame. The one that is in the 24 hours. So even for the consolidation of the 5 minutes or 1 minute, you'll see it when you are in the bigger, or like you can't see it properly. So here I say, okay, I see the consolidation and I want to enter the market. I see my support and resistance. This is my support and resistance. How to find my support and resistance? This is how to find my support and resistance. Here I can see first touch, second touch, fake breakout, and then continue to do what? To keep on touching. This is where the market is touching. This is my what? My resistance. And then I'm going to do my support. Yeah. So I'm going to find my support. You understand? So this is how I'm finding my support on here. Let me make it green so that you can understand. Green. Yeah, here it is. One. I can see mostly the market has touched this position multiple times. Here, here, even here I don't see a fake breakout until it breaks out here. So this is how you make your entry level. Don't even hesitate. Don't even hesitate. Don't think about it. Don't ever say, I think I am not going right. Never. You are still on the go. You understand? You are still on the go. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Here you say, okay, the market is still rearranging and the market is going like this. Now the market is on here. What you have to do is to sell. You don't even have to ask anyone. But on here, you are waiting for the confirmation to see if this thing is a consolidation or is just a retest to go down. I'll show you what is a retest and how to see a retest. And then the market trend down like this. And then the market still go again up. When it goes up like this, just know or is finishing the trend like this. This is a retest. You understand? So it will come and say here. From here, when you see, or okay, the market started to go up a little bit, make an entry. This is where you have to make an entry level. It's a confirmation from the support level and open this space. It's your entry level. So the market will go like this. Let me show you where you put your TP. After making an entry level here, on this point, it's your stop loss. You understand? It's your stop loss. And then from here, the market saying, I'm going up. Here is your TP. Here is your take profit. You understand? Doesn't matter the market will hit this point or it will go down like this. Here is your TP. You can take a profit anywhere you like. You understand? You can take a profit anywhere you like, as long as you saw it going up. You understand? This is your TP. I mean your stop loss here. Is your stop loss. Since you confirmed or is starting to do what? It's starting to buy right here. You cashed the signal. So we are going to the sell position. How to spot that sell. You understand? So the market was doing what? The market is still going up like this. Maybe it hit at this point and then it starts to go down like this. Here is your what? It's your entry level of a sell. Here is your stop loss. Here. On your what? On your resistance. It's your stop loss. And then the market will go down like this. Either it's going to not hit the what? The TP. The TP is always here. And then it goes down like this. If you see something like this on the market sometimes, you can take this one and say it's my stop loss. It's my TP, I mean. You can say it's my TP, you understand? So the market goes down like this and hit the what? This level. After the market hitting this level, you have to buy the same way, like you are scalping for now. At least a 5 minutes time frame, you are scalping. When it's here, again. Now I was showing you a scalping strategy or a scalping method. So now I'm showing you how to make an entry for a long trade. A long trade. Now we go for a long trade. Remember on the bigger time frame what I have said. I said the market is going where? It's going down. So whatever is happening with the rearranging or consolidation or whatever is happening in here, just know that thing is gonna be a sell. The seller is gonna be more than the buyers. The breakout will be a sell. When we are talking about the breakout, let's start with the fake breakout. Now you said the market will go up. Will go up like this. And then the market goes up like this and break out on your what? On your resistance. But at the end of the day, it doesn't do what? It doesn't give you or it is going up. It starts to go down like this. And then it goes down. Either it is hitting the support or not. But it starts to do what? Continue to consolidate and hit this point, red point or red bar. It's continue to hit the red bar like this. Means this one is a breakout because of it is alone in this market. There is no other higher high that is there. It's a fake breakout. You can see even this side. there is no height, there is no same height as this one. Understand? So it's a fake breakout. Understand? So now you want to hold for a long. This is a consolidation, and the consolidation, the breakout will be a sell. So what you have to do is to do what? Is to make sure, because of this one is going to be a sell, is to make sure you enter the market on the resistance. Once you enter on the resistance and it break out, it will never touch the resistance anymore when it start to do a retest. You understand? When it start to do a retest. A retest is something like this. If you want to see what is a retest, maybe you say, okay, the consolidation has broken down, but before I can enter for this on this resistance, okay, now the retest is something like this. Agree, you see, is after the breakout and the market doesn't consolidate anymore, or it doesn't have these levels, like it doesn't hit on the same point multi times anymore. Again, it's starting to do what? It's just doing once and go down, once and go down. And if you can see these points, this one is higher than this one, and the following one will be lower than the previous ones. You understand? You can see here we have the lower one. This one is going to be lower, busy going down. This is a retest. And how to trade the retest? How to trade those retests? We trade the retest like this. When the market goes like this, let me change the color. When the market goes down like this and start to go up like this, agree, we know the market is going down. How to trade the retest? We trade the retest like this. When it goes down like this, it's a confirmation of this thing is still going down. This is your entry level. Here is your entry level. And then here on this, on where the market started to buy, on this spike, I don't know, it will be a spike or a candle, it's where you are going to put a what? A stop loss. So that if this thing, it wasn't a retest, it was going up, you are safe. This is where you are going to put a stop loss. You understand? After entering for a retest, and then the market will go down like this. When it starts to retest again, don't just be fast to do what? To close the trades. Wait a little. Yeah. So don't be fast to do what? To lock the profit or just close the trades. Leave the trades run until 50%. When it's 50%, you can take your what? Your profit. And make sure, now I'm going to explain how to lock the profit. Even though I'm teaching you how to lock the profit, this is how to lock the profit. You agree, you entered, it is going down like this, and then now you see a weird movement like this spike. It's starting to show you that it seems like it's going up like this. You are going to take this stop loss of yours. Remember, this is where you put it a stop loss. What you have to look is to look this number on this right side. You see this number. When you visit your stop loss, you are going to take a line. Agree, you're using the lines that you were analyzing with and say, here's a stop loss. You are going to put it here. Look at those numbers. You see these green numbers. The green numbers will be situated here or be located here. You copy these numbers and paste them on your stop loss. Means this market will do what? Agree, it was going down like this. Let me show you. It was going down like this. And then now the market is showing you it didn't even go to your TP. Now it wants to do what? It wants to go up, and then you lost your profit that you've made. So it will hit this line. Once it hit this level, it will close the trade. You understand? If, let's say, here we have this thing is $100 like this. $100. $100. from here to here is $100. The whole means if you are cutting this on the 50%, you are going to get $50. You didn't lost your whole account. You come out with $50. So that's how the things are working. And I think I'm done showing you everything. I'm just waiting for your comments. I'm busy watching my live chat section here. I'm waiting for the people to say, I don't understand there. I want to open a Zoom meeting. I want to do this and this and this and that so that I can help you. Because of 4 o'clock, I'm out. If I don't have people who comment and say this and this and this and that, you understand? So 4 o'clock, I'm out. So for now, I'm waiting for you to do what? To give me those things. You understand? To give me the questions and everything in these 2 minutes. From here to here means if you are cutting this on the 50%, you are going to get $50. You didn't lost your whole account. You come out with $50. So that's how the things are working. And I think I'm done showing you everything. I'm just waiting for your comments. I'm busy watching my live chat section here. I'm waiting for the people to say, I don't understand there. I want to open a Zoom meeting. I want to do this and this and this and that so that I can help you. Because of 4 o'clock, I'm out. If I don't have people who comment and say this and this and this and that, you understand? So 4 o'clock, I'm out. So for now, I'm waiting for you to do what? To give me those things. Understand? To give me the questions and everything in these 2 minutes. So I'm back again and I don't see anyone who is interested on asking some questions or anything. So I don't know because now it's 50 minutes and I see 17 people in. So let's meet again tomorrow. It's not the last one, it's not the first one. Yeah, it's now starting to make sense to me. Yeah, thanks for that comment. Means I'm not just here to just waste time. You know, even if only one person can learn, I know that I'm doing something. You understand? So even tomorrow, we're going to do what? We're going to tune live. I think I will make it again. Maybe let's say 3 o'clock again. I think I will go to the TikTok and get some people and everything. So this link I will share it everywhere. I'll share it on my Telegram. I'll share it on my WhatsApp. So let me read the comments because of I can see now the comments are doing what? Are dropping. Hi, thank you so much for this. I'm currently looking at NAS 100 and from what you taught today, I believe I should be buying. So, and then another one say, how do you determine which direction it will go from the higher time frame 24 hours? Okay, from the 24 hours, what do you have to check? you have to check. Let's say agree or analyze. Let me show you again, because of I think I'm repeating this thing. What is going on with this thing? So let's say I'm on the 24 hours time frame, you understand? So in a simple, when you analyze on the 24 hours time frame, look at this. Agree, when you go to my strategy, what do we call Brave Wolf or Wolf Strategy Part 1, when you go to it, like, let me show you, the market is doing like this. It's just doing like this. So now I need to see, agree, I told you about an M and a W. So I see what the market now is about to create a what? An M. The market is like this. And it's about to complete an M. So this is my entry level, you understand? This is my entry level. And I say, okay, the market will go down. It's what I see on the bigger time frame. As you can see here, I say, okay, this thing, it can be something like an M or an V. You understand? But this thing is not completely on this part. Let me take this one. I think it's gonna be simple. Like, I want to show you something. Agree with this. You see this thing. You see the market, it goes like this and complete again. You understand? This is an M. This one is an M. So on this point on here, on this one where I am currently, the market must completely do a what? A wave, a complete wave. But I see here there is a space that is left. There is a space that is left here. You understand? There is a space that is left. So that means it's telling me this is the 4 hours. Now there is a space that is left. Now the market is telling me here the market must complete this space. You understand? So this is giving me a sell. It's giving me a sell because of the market can't go up before it can hit this point. It can go up before it can hit this point. This is giving me a sell. That's where you will see where the market it will be going. You understand? If you want to see where the market will be going, is either it's going to sell or a buy. This means the market will sell from here to complete this space before it can buy. That's how you see the market is selling or buying. Even in the 24 hours time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 1 minute, 5 minutes, everywhere. That's how you do it. Mostly if you want to see a sell, an M or W, there is indicators called envelopes. If you put those envelopes on your MetaTrader, you will see a complete M and a complete W. Or yeah, now the market is completing the W. Let me do what? Let me buy. The market is completing the M. Let me do what? Let me sell. Even here, when it comes to this point, I remember when I spoke to my people when the market is still on top here. Like now, when the market will be going like this. Most of the time, you'll see people drawing this, and the market still go the way we said it will go. That's how it is. Another one, I just seem to get it wrong when it comes to support and resistance. So in order to get a support and resistance, the support is where the market is hitting on top. Like, let me say 2 touches, you call it 2 touches, is where is a resistance around here. Already we say it's a resistance because of the market will come again and hit here. It's a resistance. So the support is the lower where the market hit multi times. Here you call it a what? What again? 2 touches. Hey, it's 2 touches again, and you call it a bottom or what? Yeah, it's a bottom because of this one is on top. This one is on bottom. You understand? This is where you say is your support. This level. That's where you get your support and resistance. So Conspire Mava. So I want to know from 24th. Okay. Cool. Conspire, thank you. So I think in 4 minutes the class will be doing what? Will be shutting down. Let me go to my WhatsApp and show you the things. On my WhatsApp, check on YouTube chat box, there are questions. So I'm busy answering them. I'm going to the signal groups. So today I didn't give a signal. I was able to teach without giving any signal. So let me allow this to load and then show you my signals, how my signals are going and everything. If you want to do what? If you want to sign up for the mentorship, let me write a link. Sign up for the mentorship. Even on the description there is a what? Sign up for mentorship or signals or signals. What do I'm writing? Signals, Brave Wolf fx.com. I want to even show you how this website works. I want to even show you how this website works. Replace this one is slow. Let's go to Brave Wolf FX. I don't know why these days WhatsApp is too slow, you understand? WhatsApp of linking WhatsApp on there. This thing is too slow, it's loading, is too slow. This is my website. If you want to sign up for the mentorship, you just go to bravewolf.com, and then this is the lifetime signal, $63, and then lifetime signal mentorship plus signals is $100. Once you say okay, you wanna buy, it will take you to the why it takes me to this thing. So I will change it. I see there is a mistake that is happening. Okay, you'll just press on the visa. Understand? Let me press on the visa and see. It's still giving me the same thing. I don't know why. So, but I will go and change it. Means I added the wrong button. So I will show you after this live or this section. I'll go and fix this thing, because of after doing this last time, you were getting a form to just do what? To just log in. I mean to just put your paying things. You say, okay, thank you so much. So the market basically must close that gap prior to move up. It's not a must. We say we are risking, and we say the market will close that space. Unfortunately, most of the time, the market closes this space before it can buy. You understand? Before it can buy. So we are risking. Even the market can even not close this space and then start to go up. Just right here. But we can risk and say, okay, and let me show you. The risk management that you're going to do is to do what? You're going to say, if the market doesn't close, let's say here, you say is where the market will start to go up. You can start by buying around here, but on the smaller time frame, not big time frame. You can start buying around here and say, okay, the market, you will say the market will do what? Will start on this one here. When you calculate, when you take a calculator and say calculate from here to here, this is your stop loss, this is your entry level. It will tell you over here you will lose $20 again. And then if you don't have more than $20, means you must adjust your what? Your stop loss. You understand? So that you can be safe. I think you understand. Do indices move like currencies? No, at all. So the class of tomorrow, I'll show you why I say the indices doesn't move like the currencies. So now I'm just showing you my what? My signal group. Where's the signal group? This is the signal group. You can see here I ended by sending this link around 11:30. So this is the signal groups. Last signals that I sent, it went to profit, and then all of the sudden it started to go to a loss. So I'm just showing you quickly because of like the time of the class has ended now. So I'll be doing a collaboration with YamBeast. He will open the Zoom meeting after me. Like when I'm done teaching like this, he will open the Zoom meeting. I'll host the Zoom meeting. I'll open the Zoom meeting for YamBeast around here. You understand? This is what we are doing. All is a real account. Don't say, hi. He's showing us the what? The demo account. It's not a demo account, it's a real account, as you can see. This one of a risk management, the last one I was explaining about it, I'll show you properly on the other class. This was a NAS 100. It was an NFP, ne? It wasn't an NFP, this one. It was just a trade. So all it was a real account. You can see, you can just rate our signals, how our signals are performing. I agree, you say there is a 50% accurate, 20% accurate, 100% accurate, whatever it is. You can just rate it by yourself. Now I don't know the rates. As you can see here on this side, it's not me, it's YamBeast. It will be YamBeast on this side. As you can see, we are busy pushing. If you want to join, I sent the link on the description. You can go and join. I'll do what? I'll change that button of a PayPal to make sure that you pay without a what? A PayPal account. You'll just use your Visa to do what? To join. You can see from this is Miracles, but they have the classes. So let me show you the mentorship group. Even now they are still working. You can see people, they are still working, they are watching, people, they are sending their things. Here is a paid group. I'm showing you the paid groups. You understand? I want to show you the results, and we are working overnight. When I send the signals, these people, they are coming and show me the results. That's how I work. That's how we work. Is their result. Can even take their numbers, call them or text them and ask them if this thing is real or what. Or I'm robbing them, or I'm robbing you, whatever it is. But I'm honest. Everything, I'm honest. Inshallah. That's how the things are working. I want to show you the messages from back. Let me just start here. If you have a time, you can even read what we say. What we say. You can even read what we are saying, like something like this. Yes, Tanga. She shared the signal. You can see we are going. It's a real account. You understand? So that's how we do it. That's how we do our things. You can ask them, guys. You can see here. These are the real things. 5,250. Something else. And if you need help in this group, we help you. Everybody can help you. Agree, you see, other people can trade more than me. You can see these people who are trading NAS 100, they are trading more than me. I can't trade NAS 100 like them. I'm just trading the volatility. Understand? So they trade more than me. And they learned from me. They learned from other people. They mixed the information and then now we are together, we are making money together, something like this. You understand? That's how the things are working. You can check what is happening. Is happening. So for now, I'm done, guys. For now, I'm done. So far, I'm sure a lot of people they got what they want. So this video will always be there. This video will always be there. You can see another person saying the W formation. You understand? So he bought here. I don't know if he sent the signal after this. Is 2024. I'll see if he sent the signals. He bought. You can see people are withdrawing here. Withdraw 9.5. Something like this. So now for today I'm done. You'll even say we are using snakes. And there is not snakes of nothing. We are working hard and harder and harder. Like a hell. Like a hell. We're working hard. Yeah, I think I'm done with you guys. Let me just switch the live to something else.